How to buy Tinder Gold. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. If you're also trying to purchase or subscribe to the premium version of Tinder, which is Tinder Gold, let me show you the process of doing it. Open up tinder.com, or you can also do this process within the app. Once you're on the app or the website of Tinder, click on your profile, and here you'll see all of the premium plans of Tinder. To buy the gold version, click on Tinder Gold, and here you can see all of the benefits that you'll get. They have three plans: the 1 month plan, 6 month, and the 12-month plan, and you can also see the exact amount that you need to pay. So select your plan according to your needs and then click on checkout. In the next section, you need to type in your card details such as your name, card number, expiration date, CVC, and after you fill in these details, click on buy now and you'll successfully buy or will subscribe to the Tinder Gold. So that's the easy process on how to buy Tinder Gold. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.